Hi people, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the simple bot, and we're going to get this module out to you because it is taking names. It's an incredible bot. You notice I've done two videos, done this one here which was nothing safe, which is in YouTube, and also this one here. So you know, it's an incredible bot. Actually, it's working very well. I'm just going to show you and take you over just before we decide to set this up. So you'll see that today, which was the 23rd, we made 5,319, 5,298, 3,061, 922. So you can see that, you know, it is an incredible piece of kit, and you can see that this is in action. You can see that it gets to this point and it knows what it's doing. It seems to work very well. Even when the market starts to go up quite high, it seems to recover quite well as well. This is the very reason why it's called the Safe Expert Advisor, because it does seem to be really working well. Now, if we work out, roughly made around $15,000 today with this one bot on my 100k account. This is a DarwinX MT4 account, which is a funded 100k account, where I show you how you can actually get this account. It will just cost you $38 a month, and then very shortly, once we get the allocation sequence done, this will start to pay for itself, and it won't cost you any money at all, and you'll start to make a monthly income by using these special bots, which are going to improve your account. So you can see that at the moment I made a profit of 31,638 with a deposit of 100k. So you know, it's a really great little bot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you exactly how you set this up, okay, because it's quite important, and we'll get this up and running. So there will be a set file that you will get, which you will need to install. This set file is going to give you the optimization that you need to have this bot work in the same way that I've got it working. I am currently using it on USDJPY on a 1 hour timed window. A lot of people will say no, it should be 5, 15, stuff like that, right? I seem to be getting really good results with this setup. Okay, so I would urge you to follow the setup that I'm using. Okay, if we go to the actual bot and right mouse click expert advisors, if we go to properties, there's a couple of things that you need to make sure that you set up. Okay, what I would be inclined to do is to make sure that you set up, let's have a little look, see if we can find it. Okay, so your risk is 0.75, your fixed lot, I've got a 0.01, take profit, okay, which is coefficient is at 16%. Your magic number, make sure you change your magic number. It just has to be a 4-digit number. It can be anything that you require it to be, okay, so it's nothing too much to worry about. Make sure that you adjust your risk accordingly depending on your account. You roughly need a minimum of $1,000 for you to be working, so it's a good idea to get a demo account, or if you go for a Forex, a Robo Forex account where you can put $10 in, and that will give you pretty much $10,000 that you can actually trade with. Okay, loads and loads of instructions, and it's backed up with lots and lots of training. It's inside Darren's Trading Academy. It's going to show you exactly how to set all this up, etc. And basically, when you want to add your preset, you just basically click on here, it's load, and then you'd go to your file. Okay, so for argument's sake, my file was inside here, which you will get. It will be in a zipped folder, and you'll be able to get that file and start doing it. I may set the bot up with the actual set file, so it's already set up, and then you won't have to worry too much about actually setting it all up. It will be already set up for you. Okay, so yeah, it's just a case of put it on the demo first, test it, and make sure that you're happy with it before you decide to release, you know, to let it off. You need to make sure that it's working first, and that's basically it. Now, of course, what we're going to do now is we're going to go over the process of installing this bot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use another one. So I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to use my Robo Forex account. This is my live Robo Forex account. Okay, you'll see that I've got a balance in here of 5,838. So if we click on account history, and if we scroll down, you'll see that I've actually got a real balance of £921.28. Okay, so this is my real money, okay, which is in this account. So it's just under, well, we're coming up to $1,000 that will be inside this account. And you'll see that as we are talking, okay, this is a completely different bot, but you can see that I'm making profits here at 226, 218. This bot is available inside my trading academy, which you can get your hands on to this as well. Okay, so why I wanted to show you this is because if I go over to here, just make sure I've got the right bot that's running. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'm going to use this one here. Okay, so this is the USDJPY setup. The reason I do this is because this will give you an idea of how to set this up. It's very, very straightforward. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to your computer, okay, and you're going to go and click on the link to download it. So if we go here, open this up, open too many of them up, let's go back. We're going to go to downloads, and you'll see I've got quite a few bots that are in here, which you will be actually getting to play with at some point. And you'll find that inside here will be a bot that we're going to set up. Okay, so basically it will be in a zip folder, something roughly like this. Okay, and you would just double click on this and then extract this to your account, okay, or to your actual computer, and then or into your VPS, which is a virtual proxy server. Once you've done that, okay, what you're going to do then is you're going to copy the file. Okay, you're going to move over to your here, which is file. This is on an MT4 platform, open data folder. Okay, as you can see that I struggle when I'm doing filming. And then you go to MQL4, and then you go to experts, and then you're going to right mouse click and you're going to paste in the bot. Okay, and the bot, which is right here, which is this one here, USD Safe Expert Advisor. Okay, this is updated, so this is the latest version. Once you've done that, okay, you're going to close this down. You're going to go over to the bots area, which is here. You're going to just click on any bot, okay, right mouse click and then hit refresh, and it's going to refresh the bar. And then what you do then is you scroll through till you find that particular bot, which is the USD Expert Advisor. Left mouse button, hold that mouse button, drag it across and drop it into your USDJPY chart. Make sure that your chart's set up as an hour first before you do that. Otherwise the bot might go parabolic and take quite a few trades. And hopefully you won't need to worry about adding in the set file, because I'm going to give you the one which is already preset. So this is going to be baked in. Okay, so this will pretty much be set up for you to just set up and go. Okay, and how I can do that I'm going to show you. Okay, so if we right mouse click, go to expert advisors, go to properties. Okay, if we click on the save option, and now if I type in here, okay, Darren's set file USDJPY safe advisor, and I'm going to put a date 23/0/10/24, and then why I've done that, now you need to hit the save button, and you'll notice that this has now been saved. Okay, so what this means is this particular file I've got, you need to try and make sure that you keep the file somewhere safe. Now you can do this by where we've already saved it. If we go to expert advisors, properties, okay, now add the load button, it's going to give you the place of where this set file is, okay, which has gone into my presets. But I can copy this, okay, close this, cancel, okay, now move this into my download file, okay, and now I can put it in here if I want to. So for instance, if I've got a certain bot that I want to make sure is safe, let's say I'll put it in this one here, right mouse click, and paste that in, I can now keep my set files in one area. So you see I've got the USD Safe Advisor bot there. Okay, this is on my computer. So if I had any problems, you know, where I lost my account, I've kept that set file somewhere safe. That set file I will add for you, okay, into the zip folder when you come to download it. Once you've done that, literally it's just a case of making sure that you go to tools. You want to go to options. You want to make sure that you put allow automated trading, okay, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about adding in the web request for this one. This is only for the artificial intelligence one, which if you've already done, that's great, because it may allow the bot to go off and search the news and stuff like that if you've already included that. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, go and check out the AI bot, okay, which is in module experimental. Okay, it's in the experimental tab inside Darren's Trading Academy. You can see this is what this little fella's doing here, where you know it's making some good money. Okay, which I've just shown you. Okay, so you now know how to set that bot up, which is right here. You'll see that this is all set up. You'll see that it creates a stop loss, and it also has a strategy system where it has 1, 2, 3, 4 different strategy systems that are running, and you just allow this bot to work. Okay, it's very, very important just to allow the bot to work, because if you start stopping it and starting it, then it will upset the algorithms that it's using to try and get your profit back if you started with a loss. And then it will build it up. You've just got to bear in mind that I'm using a 100k account while I'm using these, okay, although this is designed so it will work on a minimum of $1,000 account. So this is why Robo4X account is very good, because you can set one up for $10. It will give you $10,000 to trade with, or 10,000 cents to trade with. And you can build it up quite quickly, because it's 1 in 500 or 1 in 1,000, which is your spread. Okay, but just bear in mind that you do get charged. If I go to my Darwinx account, which is here, if I go to this is my Robo4X account. Okay, and if you look, you'll see that you do get charged. Your swap can get quite expensive. All right, so you know, the longer you leave this trade, so like $1.48 for this one, any exotic pairs will be more expensive than you using major pairs. However, this bot, the Safe Advisor, is only designed to work on USDJPY. Okay, that's safe haven. Okay, most traders will know what I'm talking about when I say that. But basically what it means is a little fish or sweet. It does small trades, you know, it goes up and down, and this is why it finds its main support resistant lines, and it follows those points, which I'm always banging on about support and resistant lines. Okay, it's just, you know, that's basically what I show people. So yeah, you can see that this is going up, it's going up and down, it's going up and down, and it's bouncing off. So if you imagine, if you draw a line across here, okay, from these points, it's taking that. And then what I like about this actually is that where it's took off, it's actually, there is a certain strategy and an algorithm that has been operated into this, where it's still making profit, even though it's gone really up, and even if it comes down, it just seems to make profit all the time. So it's a great bot. That's why I need to get this bot out to you, because this is going to help you with your Darwinx Zero accounts in MT4, and it's going to help you pass or get to your point where you can get your 75 allocation, and then you can start getting, after 3 months, you can start setting the system up so the Darwinx account will start to work on its own. Okay, and you can start profiting every 3 months with money coming into your own account. And then once you get that set up, you ask Darwinx Zero to pay your subscriptions through the profits that you make with inside your trading system. And then once you've got that up and running, that's when you get another account and you set up that other account. Okay, but you must be at the point when you're starting to make profit, and you allow this bot just sitting on this machine just to basically keep earning you money. okay, and it's just going to keep boosting your account up and down, and and that's what you want to achieve. And if you get to a point where you're in the top 50, this is when you can get a £500,000 account to trade on, okay, where you make 15% from your £180,000 account. This is how much the allocations they give you once you get to the 500,000. Again, this is something which is a long-term project, so I'm just giving you a little bit of an idea. If you think, no, Darren, DarwinX is not for me, it's not a problem, okay. You can put this on your real account, you can put this on a demo account. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just allowing you and talking to you about these things that you can do with this if you want to. It's entirely up to you. Of course, it's your own risk, okay. You manage your accounts how you want to, because it's your own money at the end of the day. All I'm doing is showing you methods that you can start to work, but I cannot be responsible if these bots go south, okay, because like anything, the forex markets, okay, you could build a bot, have a bot working absolutely fantastic for that certain time in an environment with inside that forex factor, and then you could have a news breakout and it could completely wipe off your profits of what you're earning. I'm just trying to pre-warn you. This is the very reason why I use a DarwinX Zero account, is because all I'm actually risking is my $38 every single month, or if you're lucky enough to use my discount token, it will give you 25% off, and it will allow you to get it for something $23-24 a month, which is an incredible price for a 100k account, which you can actually start to profit from using my very special methods that I show you inside Darren's Trading Academy. Okay, I don't want to go on too much about that. I just want to show you, I'm super excited about this. I can't wait for you to start using this and to understand, how this is going to start working for you. So that's it. All the very best until my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.